Alright, after comparing many different models, I found the 5 best vacuum cleaners for your car, ranging from under $40 to around $150. Each one has powerful suction to easily clean dirt, crumbs, and pet hair from your car. Whether you're dealing with kids' messes, pet hair, or just everyday dust and dirt, there is a model here for you. But there are also a few car vacuums that look powerful but barely pick anything up. I'll tell you which ones to avoid later in the video, and you can find links with discounts in the description. And by the end, I will tell you which one is my favorite. So at number 5, we've got the KMM handheld car vacuum cleaner, and it's priced just under $30, which makes it the cheapest option on this list. And that low price does come with one thing I didn't love, which I'll get to in a bit. This is for anyone who just wants a super cheap tool to keep in the car for handling daily crumbs and dust. The first thing I really liked is the 2-in-1 design. Day to day, it's useful to have the air duster to blow dust out of vents before you vacuum it up. It's not super powerful, but for tight seams on the dash, it's a surprisingly practical feature that makes the cleanup feel a little more thorough. After using it for a few days, the little LED light also proved helpful for seeing under the seats. It feels less like a serious vacuum and more like a convenient gadget you keep in your glove box. It's incredibly lightweight, so it fits in a door pocket and you barely notice it's there. Now, the downside I mentioned is that its power is really just for surface level messes. It's not going to pull embedded dirt out of your floor mats like pricier walls. But if you need an affordable vacuum for quick daily maintenance to keep your car looking tidy, this is the perfect budget pick to start with. So at number 4, we've got the Monazel Car Vacuum Portable, and it's priced around $38. This is for the person who needs a single tool that can handle both sucking up messes in the car and blowing dust out of tight corners around the house. The first thing I really liked was the suction power on its max setting. I was cleaning my car floor mats and it genuinely pulled up embedded sand and crumbs that cheaper vacuums usually just skim over. After using it for a few days, I noticed the brushless motor gives it a smoother, more solid feel compared to other handhelds I've tried. It just feels more capable. It's not just a vacuum though. I flipped it around and used the blower to clear out my dashboard vents and even my computer keyboard, which was way more useful than I expected. The built-in LED light also isn't a gimmick. It actually helps you see what you're doing under the seats. Day to day, it feels lightweight enough that your arm doesn't get tired reaching into awkward spots. It's slim enough to easily fit in a seat back pocket or glove box, so it's always within reach when you need it. If you want one device that's a powerful vacuum and a handy air duster, this is the most versatile pick on the list. So at number 3, we've got the Black + Decker Dustbuster Advanced Clean Handheld Vacuum, and it's priced around $53. This is for anyone who's tired of weak hand vacs and wants a real jump in power for their car. The first thing I really liked was the nozzle design. It rotates and has a built-in crevice tool that just pulls out, which is a game changer. I wasn't stopping to hunt for attachments to get between the car seats or into side door pockets. The right tool is just always there. The suction is also a huge step up from budget models, actually pulling dirt out of floor mats on the first pass, so I wasn't going over the same spot repeatedly. I also noticed the power stays consistent as the dust bowl starts to fill. Day to day, it feels really solid in your hand. Not flimsy, but not too heavy either.
It lives on its charging base, so it's always topped off and ready to grab when you need it. If you're done with weak vacuums and want something that makes cleaning tight spots genuinely easier, this is an excellent pick. So at number 2, we've got the Fantix Slim V8 Apex, and it's priced around $65.99. This is for the person who wants a high-tech, super compact vacuum that feels more like a gadget than a tool. The first thing I really liked was just how powerful this thing is for its tiny size. It's got a max mode with 19,000 pascals of suction, and day to day it feels like it, easily pulling crumbs and dirt from between the seats. You only get about 13 minutes on that high setting, but for targeted cleanups, it's more than enough time. After using it for a few days, the blower function became my favorite extra for clearing dust from vents before I vacuum, and I love that it just charges with a regular USB-C cable right in the car. It's so light, it honestly feels more like you're holding a small flashlight than a vacuum cleaner. Because it's so compact and comes with a nice storage bag, it's the first vacuum I've used that actually fits in my glove box. If you want the most power and versatility you can get in a ridiculously small package, the VA Apex is definitely the one to check out. So at number 1, we've got the IO Fine Vacuum/Air Duster, and it's priced around $59.99. This is perfect for the person who needs one compact tool to handle all the small cleaning and inflating jobs in their car, at their desk, or even for camping. The first thing I really liked was that this isn't just a vacuum, it's a seriously powerful air duster too. I used it to pull crumbs out of my car's impossible to reach crevices, and then immediately switched attachments to blast all the dust out of my keyboard. The 80,000 RPM motor sounds like a marketing spec, but in real life, it just means the suction and blowing force is way stronger than you'd ever expect from something this small. After using it for a few days, I found myself grabbing it for inflating a pool float and even helping get a campfire started with the blower. The battery indicator on the handle is also a simple but great touch, so you're never guessing how much juice is left. Day to day, it just feels incredibly versatile and convenient. It's compact enough to live in your car's glove box, and the included case neatly holds all the different nozzles so nothing gets lost. If you want the most powerful, do-it-all gadget that replaces a separate vacuum and a can of compressed air, this is absolutely the one to get. So that's the list, but before you decide, there are a few types of these portable vacuums you should probably avoid. I'd steer clear of the really cheap ones that use old brushed motors. They usually promise high power but lose suction after a few uses, and the battery life is just awful. Also, skip any that use a proprietary charging cable instead of USB-C. It's just a pain when you can't easily charge it in your car or with a power bank. You end up with a tool that's dead right when you need it. Keeping all that in mind, the one I personally ended up liking the most was the IO Fine Vacuum/Air Duster. It was just the most genuinely useful and powerful tool for its size. The convenience of having a strong vacuum and a high-power blower in one cordless device was a total game changer for all those quick cleanups. It's reliable, easy to charge, and just works. So if you want that all-in-one tool that really delivers, this is my top pick. As always, I'll drop a link in the description so you can check the latest price.